I'm going to share something with you about videos that I bet you've never heard before. My videos were ashy. Oh my God. You're wondering what is ashy video? Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is an ashy video. This is what my videos look like before I use some of the features that I'm going to be sharing with you right now on this video. And if it seems like I'm excited about it, it's because I am, because you may not know that your videos are ashy. Today is part 2 of my series of easy edits with CapCut. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 more features that you need to know so that you don't, number 1, have ashy videos. Number 2, you don't have boring content. And number 3, you don't have to wonder about how people are getting their videos to look so fantastic. When I look down in my comment section, some of the most reoccurring comments that I get is, Reva, how do you edit so well? Your videos look professional. The number 1 feature that I use in order to make my visuals look crispy, and what do I mean by crispy? I mean good clarity and good color, is good filters. The number 1 filter that I like to use on CapCut now for mobile is 8K. 8K will level up your ashy videos and make them crystal clear. It'll bring in the color, the clarity, and the saturation that you need in order for your videos to pop like popcorn. That's if you like popcorn. I like using the 8K filter because before that, I used to have to do everything longhand. Turn up the saturation, bring in the clarity. But with the 8K filter that I use now, I don't have to do any of that. Everything is already done. But here's a pro tip. I usually have it turned down to about 60 or 75% because too much of a good thing is just too much. And before we get into the other 2 filters and the other 2 features that I use on CapCut, I want to share with you a pro tip that the big content creators are trying to keep secret from us small content creators. Big content creators like Mr. Beast and Ali Abdaal, they do not repurpose their content themselves. Neither does their teams. They use AI softwares like Nexus Clips in order to repurpose all of their videos. Software like Nexus Clips not only saves you time, but it takes the guesswork out of your work when it comes to leveling up your content, especially when it comes to verticals. When you upload your long form video into Nexus Clips, the AI searches for the best emotional moments and moments of high energy and high impact, whether it's informational or sensational. The AI gives you a virality score, and the higher the virality score, the most likely your videos will get more views. If you're tired of guessing what might hit and what might not, the Nexus Clips is going to be your software. Its facial recognition tool lines your face up to make sure your face is in the place, and it adds the captions on screen so that you don't have to, but you can tweak it and personalize it to match it with your brand. If you're not using an AI tool like Nexus Clips, you are leaving a lot of views on the table and you are wasting a lot of time. If you're curious and you want to use Nexus Clips, I'm going to be leaving you a 10% discount code right here and down below so you can check it out. All right, so let's get back into the video. One of the other main filters that will always leave my videos crispy is the OptiClear filter. Now, OptiClear is very closely related to the 8K, but sometimes my lighting is off or my facials are bad. It all depends on if I'm wearing makeup or if I'm using CapCut makeup tool in order to level up my content. That'll determine which filter that I use. In order for my videos not to look ashy or my face to look ashy or my content to be boring. Because the whole goal of all of this when it comes to leveling up your content is to keep your attention so that you can get the information. I'm going to be leaving you a free downloadable guide and you can put it in your content creator notebook. Yes, it's free. Filter number 3 that I use a lot, especially in the summertime or if I'm filming outside, is Clear 2. When you're outside and you have all the different shades and hues and all the colors, Clear 2 is a filter that I go to in order to level up all the colors that's in my environment. Besides having good audio, good visuals is as important. And visuals that can keep the viewer engaged is key, and we're going to talk about that one next. When you're creating content, whether it's on YouTube or any of the socials, when we make videos, our whole goal should be getting the value to the viewer. But if the viewer is clicking off because you don't have good visuals or you're not able to keep their attention, then all of your efforts might be in vain. One good way to keep your viewers' attention is to do pattern interruptions. And how I like to do pattern interruptions is by using CapCut features like text on screens, overlays, B-roll, and animation right on the mobile software. A lot of times as small content creators, we're so in a rush to get the video out. We forget or we get too lazy and we don't want to add dynamic interest to our videos. I like using B-roll. I like to use overlays. I like to use text on the screen, all of which I've given you examples here. And the reason why I did this is to give you a visual example of how to keep the viewer's interest. And if we want people to get the value that we have to give, then we have to give them a reason to stay on our video. And why not make it interesting? If you're finding some value in this video, put your DNA on the like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, we're still growing, not just on YouTube, but over in the school community. If you want to join a community of like minded content creators, leveling up your content every single week, learning and earning as we are growing. Yes, you can earn in my community. I have a 40% affiliate commission just for you when you join my community and you bring along a friend who also joins. So, what better way to earn and learn, especially if you're not getting paid on YouTube yet? And you want to level up your content with more content like this that you're learning every single week with a great group of people. We do everything from live calls, and I'm always dropping free guides, PDFs, and all kinds of tools in order to level up your content and help you on your journey. Let's get into the last tool that I like to use on CapCut Mobile, and that's sound effects. Sound effects are a great way to bring more depth to your content. It's also a great way to bring in those pattern interruptions to keep your viewers glued to the screen and glued to your next word. It's almost like you're tricking your eyes, but with your ears, because you're bringing in depth with the different sound effects that you can bring in. Now, listen, I use all of this in moderation because I don't want to distract from the main information that I'm trying to bring. I like to enhance the information and not distract from it. So I use different sound effects like whooshes or swooshes, or that cool camera shutter sound that you hear, especially when I'm moving from one point to another in my video. Sometimes I use light background music, but this one, you have to be careful. So I'm only going to stick to sound effects. We'll talk about sound on another video, or you can use YouTube University to see all the restrictions when it comes to using sounds as a music on your videos. Don't get a copyright strike. If you've learned some things in this series of how to edit your videos using CapCut Mobile, make sure let's talk about it down in the comments. And if you're still struggling and how to edit your videos, or if you are letting editing hold you back from making more videos and making more content, then let us know. Let's talk about it down in the comments section. The best way to grow on this journey is to grow together with a community. Let's talk about your woes and your wins down in the comments section. And if you've been letting editing hold you back from making more content, let's talk about it. As always, thanks for watching my video, and moreover, thanks for being a part of this community. See you the next time on the next video. Bye-bye.